videos like this are generally a bit upsetting to me. What can you do to protect yourself? There are basics when it comes to personal protection that you should consider. When you're in a public place, your kids are attached to you. They're always in front of you where you can see them. So that is from about your 10 o'clock to your 2 o'clock. They're always at your 10 to 2 o'clock. Second thing is you've got to pay attention to who is vectoring in on you, who is moving towards you. These are the people, I don't care what they look like, I don't care what they smell like, I don't care what they sound like, I don't care. But the people vectoring in on you are the people that you need to be most concerned about when you're in any public environment. If you pay attention to whoever is vectoring in and moving towards you, you will notice 90% of threats before they come. The second thing, the most important thing is proxemics, right? So where am I relative to where everyone else is around me, and how can I drive everyone into an area where I can control them or at least maintain visual mastery over them, right? So right now, I'm in an airport, but my back's up against a wall. Everyone's going to be passing by in front of me, right? If I'm sitting like this, now people are passing behind me. I'm most vulnerable behind me. Now, if I put myself in a position where people have to be passing by in front of me as they walk past, then I make it so much simpler to protect myself and to protect those who are with me. And if I keep those who are with me in front of me at all times, it's almost like they're subconsciously going to be safer because it takes way less focus, way less attention, and way less bandwidth to keep them safe. If you do these little things, it'll make maintaining the safety of those who are with you much easier because you're cheating, right? And you're not cheating, but you're implementing principles that make Overwatch much easier. So put your back up against something solid where no one can come towards you. Now everyone has to come towards you from the front, and the people that you're protecting are always in front of you. That way you're maintaining visual mastery. Make sure your kids are attached to you at all times. You never let go of them when you're in public places. And then if anyone starts vectoring towards you, you give them eye contact and you get ready to address them. And if you can, address them preemptively so that they understand that you're confident and you're paying attention, 90% of these things will go away.
Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.